This is another weather update. We're forecasting our next big storm with severe weather and maybe some snow and ice on the northern side. It's going to be across the middle of the United States. So let's get right into it. Looking at the European model right here, Wednesday at 8 a.m., we can see that Gulf moisture coming up from the Gulf of Mexico. Some snow over here in the Rockies and the Four Corners state. And that cold line depicted with this line of heavy rain. You can see the storm just developing right now. Some rain for Kansas City, Oklahoma. Most places will start out as rain. Then we see some pink. That pink on the map means thunderstorms. So we're going to see some thunderstorms, and the severe weather aspect of the storm is probably going to be the most concerning. Is what it's looking like right now. But again, things will change. We're a few days out. It's Sunday today, and this is going to be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we're going to be a few days out. Things are going to change. We see some snow developing on the northern side in Iowa, Wisconsin, northern Missouri as that cold line just pushes itself more south. We see a lot of thunderstorms and heavy rain and severe weather popping up here in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Tennessee and southern Missouri. Then we see some freezing rain and ice for St. Louis as that cold line again keeps pushing itself south. That freezing rain and snow for Chicago, Michigan, and even in Lubbock, Oklahoma City. Kind of looks a lot like Winter Storm Landon. Of course, it's not the same storm, but it does look a lot like it. It's a lot like the track, but there's a more severe weather that we see severe weather and thunderstorms in Alabama, Mississippi, southern Tennessee, Arkansas, Louisiana, really the deep south, and those Gulf states are where we're going to see the biggest threat for severe weather. Then we see some snow start to build in Indianapolis, northern Indiana, central Illinois, central Missouri, including St. Louis, Joplin, eastern Oklahoma. So again, a lot like Winter Storm Landon, we have that rain, ice, and then snow. So a lot like Winter Storm Landon, the snow threat does look not as big as Winter Storm Landon for this storm. So again, things are going to change. So we'll have to watch which threat is bigger, the severe weather threat, snow threat. The severe weather threat's looking bigger right now. Again, we see that severe weather and thunderstorms in Alabama, Mississippi, and for right now, that's where I'm thinking the worst of the severe weather is going to be, is in Alabama, Mississippi, those Gulf states, including Louisiana. And then as we go into Thursday afternoon, we see that snow getting out of here. There's the storm going up to the north into Canada, and then just some rain and maybe a few thunderstorms for Virginia, the Carolinas, and then it kind of all falls apart. Looking here at the snow totals, what the European model is expecting 4 inches in St. Louis, Chicago getting in on maybe those 5-6 inch totals, central Missouri, Illinois getting 3 to maybe 6 inches. Same with Oklahoma, but this is a very narrow line. This changed a lot since yesterday. It used to be pretty far north up here in northern Missouri, and it was wider. So we'll have to see how this snow totals, where that snow sets itself up. And then looking here at the severe weather threat. So this is a play of how the severe weather is going to look. This is the outlook from the National Weather Service, from the Storm Prediction Center, and we're seeing a slight chance in Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, the deep south states, including Mississippi and Alabama and Tennessee. So that's where I'm really expecting the worst severe weather going to be for right now, right here in the slight risk. This will probably upgrade to maybe moderate risk as we go into the future. We'll just have to see how that plays out. And then another aspect of the severe weather before we wrap up this video is the convective available potential energy. Short is just CAPE, and you can see we don't have a lot of it, but where we do have a little bit is Alabama and Mississippi. So we're going to have to watch for that severe weather. Hopefully this is what will stop the worst of the severe weather to develop, so we don't see as big of a severe weather outbreak. But I'll have to keep you updated on this next big storm. Subscribe, go follow me on Twitter for the latest updates, for more updates on this upcoming big storm, severe weather, and winter weather. And I'll see you in the next weather update.